Down. Yes.
Started raining.
Wait, what? They're all off, right?
Dude.
Should
we lift it up some more?
Where? Yep.
The first way, the second way?
Yeah, that way, yeah. I'm so scared about this.
Oh,
It moved.
true.
It moved.
Did it?
Yeah.
Did you feel it?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. I've never seen this, ever, man.
So you remove all your wheel nuts. Be careful not to get all back in there, because like I said, you can get...
Alright, so we have to kick it to get it off, apparently. That's what the YouTube video said.
Ready?
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Yes!
No way!
Get that one out of here. Yes! Dude, mechanics!
We're actual mechanics, eh?
Dude, what? Bush mechanics.
Alright, so we've just got bogged on the way out after getting the flat. So we're gonna have to try to... This is why I need a four-wheel drive. If you come to Australia, you need a four-wheel drive. Oh, so much sand. I don't know if this is gonna do anything. So, see if we can get out. We're gonna try to push. We've just unhitched the trailer. Can you see the trailer? We just unhitched the trailer and we're gonna try to push it out. See how we go. All right, so we're still here. It's not looking good. Like literally the whole bottom of the car is hitting sand. Yeah, so we're gonna try this one last thing. Hopefully we can get it out.
Yeah.
Is there two of them?
Oh my god!
Under
That's the best.
Under the back one?
This is it. Tell me, you count me down.
All right. 1, go.
Go.
Go. Nah. All right, we might have been saved. There's a car. There's a car coming. We just waved down a car. Hey! Yes, they're coming. Please. Are they coming? Yes. They're coming. Do I give it gas?
That's
No.
where I'm from anyway, boys.
No gas. No gas.
Go.
There we go.
Right. See you later.
Yeah! Straighten up!
See you later. And gone.
Really, just a turn of events tonight. Anyway, I'm currently going 10 kilometers an hour, trying to crawl back to town because the tire was flat from when we'd let air out to try to get the car out of the bog, like when we got bogged. So just made it to the petrol station to put some air back in the tires. And Bran is still out there like waiting. Where's the air? Come on. Oh my god. I knew it was unregistered, I told you. I was thinking about it on the way. So 3 weeks. That's
all done, so you're free to go.
Oh, thank you.
So it'll just pop up as a caution.
Awesome. Alright, that way I can know when to...
Yeah, super easy to do.
Still burn out.
Don't even imagine that.
Dude!